is on. Warrior Baby shows alertness at the start, moving up Cavite Classic, then racing in third, Misterio Quixote. Spicy Time racing in fourth, then followed by Talon. Candy Crush is in behind them. Racing at a half mile, Cavite Classic being joined by Warrior Baby. Then here comes Misterio Quixote joining them from the outside. Is still improving. Warrior Baby, Misterio Quixote is on the outside throwing a challenge as they race towards the 450. Warrior Baby, Misterio Quixote is on the outside. Cavite Classic dropping back in third as they race towards the final corner with Warrior Baby and Misterio Quixote fighting it out for the lead. Is Spicy Time racing in third and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Warrior Baby still leading the field over Misterio Quixote in second with 75 meters. It's all Warrior Baby. Misterio Quixote, Cavite Classic, Spicy Time.
Okay, 5-4-1-2 order of arrival para sa race number 7. Upset by Warrior Baby over number 4.